Many of you who follow Erica and Zaiheng know that they recently broke up. Well, I was reading some of the comments, and here is what some people said about the breakup. Mary John Lewis said, "Did you hear he said that she never cared for him when he was sick? Didn't even give him a basin. That is not love. Look at her reaction on the video. What does that tell you? His dad had every right to reject her. She is just projecting what they saw in her. When two people are in love, they care for each other, not just taking and not giving back. If you don't have money to give back, you support and show love and respect." Another viewer said, "It's whatever happens when you give too much in a relationship. It appears that Zaiheng is the giver and Erica the taker. He appears to value her more than she values him." Then Blasian Jamaica said, "On camera, Eric doesn't seem caring. She's happy getting gifts and money." Well, I disagree. Erica never posted anything negative about Zaiheng on her channel. This is what she wrote on her post. "We want to thank everyone who has supported us during our relationship. As we move forward separately, we want to express our deep gratitude for your kindness and friendship, and we'll always remember the good times. We appreciate all the love and support. Everyone, please continue to support Zaiheng as you did when we were together. And for those who love me, please don't stop supporting him if you can." Those are kind words. As a matter of fact, the scriptures say you can't love without kindness. And that got me thinking. Erica is from Tanzania, and I started thinking about Tanzanian culture. Let's take a virtual trip to Tanzania.
China's commitment to Africa was on full display in early 2025, when Foreign Minister Wang Yi embarked on a work visit to the continent.
The foreign minister will always make a trip to the African continent.
Here is what some of the websites I found said about Tanzania and Tanzanian people. RogueWanderers.com said, "Then of course there are the people, the kind smiles, the gentle teaching of Swahili words, sharing of cultures and knowledge, and the rightful pride in being a peaceful nation." In general, Tanzanians are highly kind and friendly to tourists, and they usually greet them with open arms. Tanzanians are known for their warmth, friendliness, and hospitality. Tanzanians are generally very polite and generous. And finally, Tanzanian people are super friendly, curious, and always happy to greet us. Well, I hope you've learned something about Tanzania and about kindness. We'll see you next time.